Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to add a diagram into a Google drawing. If you move over to Insert and you click on it, hover down, scroll down, and click on Diagram. You'll have a number of different options, including View All. I recommend clicking on View All simply because you get a much better visual idea of what you're about to insert. So if you click on View All, you'll get the different categories: grid, hierarchy, timeline, process, relationship, and cycle. And once you understand what it is you want to add, let's say we want to add a grid, I can click on grid and I have a number of different options. But notice, these are already created. They have some nice logos. They're very visually appealing. The colors are nice and bright. So let's say I choose this one. And now I have this in my Google drawing. I can simply click on whatever text I need to update, but the formatting will stay the same unless I change it. But I still get this really nice chart design in my Google drawing, and it didn't take me forever to try to design it myself, create it myself, get it formatted the right way myself. I didn't have to do any of that. I can still change it a little bit if I want, but it saves me a ton of time just to use that insert diagram feature.